This is the structure of observer pattern. We will see how this is implemented in Java source. Here is the class subject. It has data member observers. It is of array list of observer. It has method attach which has observer object as parameter, and we are adding this object in the observers list. Here is the method detach. It has observer object as parameter. Here is the method notify, and inside this it traverses the observer list and calls the update method on observer object. Here is the class concrete subject derived from class subject. It has data member state. Here is the method set state which has integer value as parameter. Inside this it sets the data member state with this value and calls the method notify, which in turn will traverse the observer list and will call the update method for each observer. Here is the method getState. It returns the data member state value. Here is the abstract class observer. It has abstract method update, so will be implemented in its derived classes. Here is the class concrete observer A derived from class observer. It has data member state of type integer. It has data member sub of type concrete subject. Here is the constructor of concrete observer A. It has parameter concrete subject object, and inside this it sets the data member sub with this object. It calls the method attach of concrete subject and it passes itself as parameter. So it comes here and here it adds the observer in observer list. So here it is attaching the observer with subject. Here it implements the method update. Inside this it calls the method getState of data member sub, which is concrete subject. It gets the state of subject and it updates the data member state of observer with this value. Here is the class concrete observer B derived from class observer. It has data member state. It has data member sub of type concrete subject. Here is the constructor of concrete observer B. It has parameter concrete subject object, and inside this it sets the data member sub with this object, and here it attaches the observer with the subject. Here is the method update. Inside this it calls the getState method of subject to get the state of the concrete subject sub and updates the data member state of concrete observer B with this value. Let's see the main. Here we are creating concrete subject object. Here we are creating concrete observer A object, and we are passing concrete subject object as parameter. So it comes here, it sets the data member sub with this object and attaches the observer with this subject. Similarly, here we are creating concrete observer B object and we are passing concrete subject object as parameter. So we are attaching concrete observer B object with this subject. Now we are calling set state method of concrete subject object and we are passing one value 1 as parameter. So it comes here and it sets the data member state with the parameter value which is 1 and then it calls the method notify. So it comes here. So it calls the update method of observer. First it will call the update method of concrete observer A. So it will come here, it will display this and it will get the state of the subject which is 1. It will set it to the data member state of concrete observer A and it will display this. Now it will call the update method of concrete observer B. So it will come here and it will get the state from the subject which is 1. It will set it to the data member state of concrete observer B and it will display this. We will run this program and we will see the output. We can see when notify is called, it calls the update method of concrete observer A first, then it display the state. So it happens in this way, it calls the notify, it comes here, it calls the update method first concrete observer A, then concrete observer B. So it comes here, it displays this inside concrete observer A update, then it displays the state 1. Then next time it comes here, it displays this and then it displays this state H1.